Mga completes, Davao, Kaizen Davao, Lorenzana of Strikers, Chamet of Kaizen Davao, Garcia of Kaizen Davao.
Nice.
Coaches, please assist your players. May grade school advanced to category 4. Please proceed to inspection area.
This is your last and final call. Bermejo Maria Danica of ASPTA. Bermejo Maria Danica of ASPTA. This is your last and final call. Proceed to court 2 now. Bermejo Maria Danica of ASPTA. Last and final call. Proceed to court 2 now.
Walang backtrack, di uncheck lahat. Ayun, sunod dito sa likod. Invite, change target, invite. Yes, coach. Go, coach.
Nice.
Sabi, change target.
Head, head. Go, Kaden! Sige, sulong!
Call, male cadet advanced 1 category 5. Please proceed to the inspection area. Banda dara sa basketball ring sa likod. Again, male cadet advanced 1 category 5. Please proceed sa ato ang inspection area. At the back of the gym,